Yes. Today we are going to learn new new lesson, and we have facts for you, amazing facts for you, and the thing we are going to follow this week. Okay, what it is, I will tell you later. Okay, yes. Now Kanchana ma'am will tell you about some amazing facts. Okay, yes. Are you all sitting straight? Are you all listening? Do you have a notebook and pencil with you? Yes? Yes, all are good children. Very good. Yes, over to Kanchana ma'am.
Jai Gurudev children, happy morning. I want a loud happy morning, ma'am. Yes, very good. Happy morning, children. And today you're having so many exciting things for you. Okay. First thing is we are going to know about few facts. Are you all ready for it? Are you all ready? Yes, very good. Now, moving on to the first fact. What you can see in the screen, children? What you can see in the screen? Snail. Yes or no? It's a snail. Already we read the fact about snail. Do you all remember that? Do you all remember that fact? What was it? A snail can sleep for 2 to 3 years also. Yes or no? We read that fact. Yes. So today another amazing fact you all are going to know about snail. Shall we know? Yes. A snail's mouth is smaller than a pinhead but has over 25,000 teeth. See, a snail's mouth will, all of you touch your mouth. Where is your mouth? Touch it. Yes. Very good. Like that, a snail's mouth will be smaller than a pinhead. Do you all know a safety pin? Your mother has a safety pin, right? Yes, that pinhead, that pin tip. How small it will be, children? It will be very small, no? Like that, a snail's mouth is smaller than a pinhead. But how many teeth it has, you know? It has 25,000 teeth. Oh my God, it is amazing, right? It has 25,000 teeth. See? Can you all see in the side gray colored thing? That is snail's teeth. Wow. But one thing is, snail's teeth will not be as strong as our teeth. Our teeth are very strong, right? We have a strong teeth. Yes. But are you all drinking milk every day? How many of you are not drinking milk every day? Just raise your hand. How many of you are not drinking milk? You didn't?
Milk.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Almost all the children has put up your hands. Very good. Yes. Milk is rich in calcium, right? If you drink it, you will get the strongest bone and strongest teeth. Yes. Yes. And now, see, snail's teeth will not be that strong as our teeth. Okay. Yes. It has 25,000 teeth.
Milk.
Very good, dear. I know that everyone will drink milk because I saw those who all raised your hand. Very good. Now, moving on to the next slide. What you can see in the next slide, children? A cute baby, no? Yes. So now you're going to know an interesting fact about this baby. Children, you know, you touch your elbow. We are saying, no, elbow, knee. What is that? We are getting one strong thing. Now, if you keep your hand, you can feel it as it's your bone. You all know that? It's your bone. Yes or no? Yes. An adult, okay, an elderly person will have 206 bones. How many bones? 206 bone. Whereas a newborn baby will have 300 bones. How many bones a small Kutti Papa will have? See how very small, no? That Kutti Papa, very cute, right? Yes, that baby is having 300 bones. So you all will have a doubt now. How come, ma'am, a small baby is having 300 bones, whereas an elderly person is having only 206 bones? You all have this doubt, no? You want to know why? Yes, you all want to know the reason behind it. Yes or no? Yes, you know why? As the baby it grows up, what will happen? Have you touched your baby and saw? How many of you have an younger brother or sister? Just raise your hand. Younger brother. Yes. Yes, so many of you have, right? Others, you also would have touched your sisters or cousin. Yes or no? Child. How the small baby will be very soft, no? Parents will say, right, hey, be careful, ma. Yes or no? Yes. So as the baby grows up, what will happen? They will have soft bones that will fuse together to form a single strong bone. So the count of bones is reducing. Okay, children, you all know the reason behind it. For every fact, there is a reason behind it. You should also know that. You should not blindly accept what ma'am is saying. You should know the reason behind it also. Yes, children? Yes, very good. Now moving on to the next slide. What is there in the next slide? What is there in the next slide, children? Sun and earth. Yes or no? Ma'am, previously, few weeks before, ma'am told something about the sun and earth. Do you all remember that? Do you all remember? During when ma'am told about that? Solar eclipse. Yes or no? Ma'am told you all right? Yes, today we are going to know another amazing fact about this sun and earth. During daytime, it is bright or dark outside. During daytime, it is bright or dark, children. How it will be, children, outside during daytime? It will be bright, right? Who gives light for us during daytime? Who gives light for us during daytime? Sun. Yes or no? Yes, morning. What mummy? How mummy will wake you up? See, sunrise and it's very hot outside, very bright outside. Get up, wake up, wake up. Like that, mummy will say, right? Yes? Yes. So, it takes about 8 minutes 19 seconds. How much time it takes? 8 minutes 19 seconds for light to travel from the sun to the earth. Very nice, no? It's very nice to know this thing, right? It takes 8 minutes 19 seconds. All of you repeat after ma'am. 8 minutes seconds. I got it. Just a minute, children. I will share the screen. Yes. So it takes 8 minutes and how many seconds? 19 seconds for light to travel from the sun to the earth. Okay, children. So these are the amazing facts which you know. First thing is about snail. First thing is about snail. Second thing is about, what is the thing about snail you know? It has 25,000 teeth. Second fact is about newborn baby has 300 bones, whereas an elderly person has 206 bones. And third one is it takes 8 minutes 19 seconds for light to travel from the sun to earth. Yes? Yes. So these facts you all know now? Yes, children? Say yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very good, children. Yes. Now you're going to know about the benefits of doing one thing. Okay, ma'am will not say what, but now Ashwini ma'am will come and tell you the benefits of doing exercises. Okay, so yes, over to Ashwini ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Kanchana ma'am. Hi, Kutesh. Okay, what we have followed last week. So every week we are following something, isn't it or not? Yes. Are you all following that at home? Yes. Ma'am, I'm not just taking class for you. You have to do this, that, and all. For what reason we are telling all those things? Because you have to follow. It's very good, actually, isn't it or not? For that reason only, Ma'am is telling you. Yes, this week we are going to know about practice exercises for good health. Yes, you are at home, no? So every week, ma'am is telling something that you can follow. Okay, dears? Yes. What is the first picture? From the picture itself, you come to know that what it is. Yes, of course, it is a breathing exercise. How will you do breathing exercise? What is breathing exercise, first of all? Yes, you do pranayama, isn't it or not? Before starting the meditation, yes, you all will do the pranayama, isn't it or not? Yes, at school, we are doing this for twice a day, isn't it or not? Morning and afternoon, we used to do in school, isn't it or not? Are you doing that at home? No, you forgot everything. Yes, no pranayama, no meditation, no exercise, nothing. Yes, yes, if anyone is doing meditation, can raise your hands. You can answer to your chat. Ma'am is going to see how many of you are going to do, or how many of you done meditation at home. Oh no, no one is doing. You all forget. Okay, chat. This is okay. From today onwards, you're all going to practice pranayama. Okay? Yes, you know how to do pranayama, isn't it or not? It's a breathing exercise. It is very good for your what health? How it is? It keeps you calm and focused. What do you mean by focused? You can concentrate more. So when you're going to learn or read or do some work, you need concentration, isn't it or not? So you should focus. So that gives you only because of meditation. That too breathing exercise. Very good. Yes. Now onwards, will you all follow that? Very good. My children are always good. They will do. Yes. Coming to the next one, can you see the picture? What the children are doing? Yes, they are doing exercise, isn't it or not? When you do the exercise while going to sleep in the afternoon, when you will do the exercise? Morning, very good. You even during the PT period you'll used to do, isn't it or not? Small exercises. Your PT teachers will teach you, isn't it or not? Why they are saying that? Yes, because it is good for your health, isn't it or not? Stretching your hands, bend forward, touching your toes, jumping. Yes, you can do the small exercises even at home. Yes, today onwards you should practice. Don't leave the previous thing what ma'am said also. Every week, whatever we are saying, you have to try to inculcate everything. Okay, because you're the small ones. You have to learn more and more. Okay, so you should not just hear and leave it off. You should try to do everything. So small exercises you can do daily in the morning. Get up early in the morning, brush your teeth, have a milk. Then you have to do pranayama. Okay, even before milk, you can do the breathing exercises and meditation and have a milk. Then do small exercises like this. And you know one thing, running and playing is also a exercise. Okay, for that reason only we are allowing you to play in school also, isn't it or not? We are having physical education period. Likewise, are you all playing at home or sitting in one place having the mobile, playing games in it, watching TV always? Sitting in one place and quarreling with your siblings, brother and sister. You should play. Playing is also good for health. 1 hour evening you can play. Morning you should do exercise. Evening 4 to 6 or 4 to 5, just play for 1 hour. Nicely you have to run and play. It's also good for health. Okay, running and playing is also a good exercise. Next, one thing ma'am want to tell is, if you're going to do exercise, you have to do small exercise. Okay, small exercise like stretching, bending forward, like that. Only smaller. You should not follow the exercise what your parents are doing, what your adults. You should not follow them. they will do some complicated exercises and all, dumbbells and all. That you can't do at this age. You should not try to do those complicated exercises. Only small exercises you can try to do. Okay. From this week onwards, will you all follow this? Yes, ma'am is expecting your answer through your chat. Please put your raise hands. Yes, very good. All started answering. Very good. Very good. So all should follow this. All should do the meditation. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kanna.
I know very
What? Mrinalini? Yes, Kanna. Very good. Okay, you can put yourself on mute. Now,
more, ma'am.
yes,
I know
Surya.
yoga more, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, of course. Very good, child. You can follow that. Okay. Yes. Now put yourself on mute, Kanna. Put yourself on mute. Very good. Thank you so much. Now we are going to the new lesson. Last week we saw a recap of it. Okay. Yes. This week we are going to see in detail. Which lesson we are going to learn this week? Lesson 4. People who help us. Come on, everyone, repeat. People who help us. Yes. Next slide, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'll just give a recap.
Yes. Yes.
So,
Now,
children, now we are going to see a new lesson in English. When I say a new lesson in English, I want my children to sit straight. Sit straight. Very good. Very good. I can see 2 children not sitting straight. Shall I call your name now? No? Then everyone sit straight. Very good. Very good. Now, the new lesson in English, what is its name? People who help us. All of you repeat after ma'am. People who help us. Yes. So, see here, there are few things. Yes or no? Yes. And now, you're going to say which thing is used by the person. Okay, which person uses that thing? Yes. So in the first picture, it's paint palette and brush. Who will use it, children? Who will use it? Let me see whether you all have listened to ma'am or not. Yes, who will use this, Kana? Painter. Painter. Very good. Painter. Who will use this stethoscope? Second picture. Who will use it? Yes, doctor. I want everyone to be on mute and answer loudly. Yes. And next, there is chalks. Chalk piece. Can you all see in the third picture? Teacher. Yes, a teacher will use it. Very good. Next, you have a. Can everyone mute yourself? Yes. Now, so next picture, you have a big white hat. Ma'am told that name. Do you remember that? Do you remember the name of that hat? Can anyone reply? Yes, what is the name of that hat? Big white hat. Chef will use it. Yes, you're right. A chef will use it. Ma'am told the name, no? The hat which the chef used. What is the name of that hat?
Also use it for me, mother help.
Toque. You'll use a big white hat to help your mother. Yes,
Yeah.
very good. So the name of the hat is Toque. All of you say it loudly. Toque. A chef will have this hat, right? White big hat. The name of that hat is Toque. Very good. So what is in the next picture? You have a saw. Which who will use this to cut the woods, children? Who will use this to cut the woods and all to design new furniture, chair? Yes, who will do it? Carpenter. Very good. A carpenter will use it. Yes, very nice, children. So now you all know who are our community helpers. Yes or no? You all know who and all are community helpers and how each one play an important role. Yes or no? And also last week, ma'am gave few numbers. Ma'am asked you to remember, right? Do you all remember that number? For policeman, it's 100. Yes, in case of any emergency or in case of any theft, we will call a policeman. Yes or no? Policeman number is 100. Fire control service number. What is fire control service number? 101. What is fire control services number? 101. Very good. What is ambulance number? 102. What is ambulance number? 102. Okay. Yes. And ma'am told you an important number. Do you all remember that? Child helpline number. What is child helpline number? 1098. Do you all remember it? What is the child helpline number? 1098. Yes, you all should know this number. Okay. In case of any unsafe situation, you can use it. Yes, 1098. Yes, now we are going on to the lesson. Yes, all of you sit straight. One clap. I should hear the clap. So loudly you're going to do. One clap. Two claps. Very good, very good. Now Ashwini ma'am will continue with the lesson. Yes. Over to Ashwini.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes. Shall we move on to the lesson? Are you all waiting eagerly to listen? Yes. Yes. Aditi is in grade 2. So what was the name of the girl? Aditi. What was the name of the girl? Aditi. She is in grade 2 like you. Yes. What she's doing? Shall we all see? Yes. She wants to know about the people who help us. What the girls wants to know? She wants to know about the people, those who are helping her. Okay. So she's asking her mother. Mother, she said, I want to thank all the people who help us. See how nice she is, isn't it or not? She wants to thank everyone who are helping her. Are you all doing that? Any one time?
I'm all
Did you?
helping.
Yes. Did you thank you if you're going to hospital and after the doctor gives you prescription and after that did you say to your doctor that thank you doctor? Yes. No. Yes, if someone is going to help you, you should say thank you. Whoever is helping us, you should thank everyone. Okay, likewise, this little girl, she wants to thank. Okay, so she's going to prepare a thank you card. Okay, what she's going to prepare? She's going to prepare a thank you card, like a greeting card. She wants to thank. Okay, for that, she's asking, what is the name of our maid? What she's asking? What is the name of our maid? Who is a maid? Servant maid. Okay, the one who comes and helps your mother at home, isn't it or not? For cleaning, washing, isn't it or not? In few homes, a person will come and help your mother, isn't it or not? She is called a servant maid. Likewise, Haditi home also, a maid is coming and helping her mother. She wants the name. Okay, she's asking what was the name of her. So good, isn't it or not? You all know the name of your servant maid? Yes, you know the maid name? Yes, if not, you just find out. Okay? Yes, next slide, ma'am. So she is asking what is the name of her maid. So the mother is replying, that is very good idea, Aditi. What the mother is telling, that is very good idea, Aditi. Her name is Kamala. What is the name of the maid? Kamala. Very good. But there are many other people who help us. So the mother is telling, not only a maid, there are so many people, those are helping us. So, do you know? Like that, a mother is asking. So she's telling, yes, I know our driver. So the girl is replying, I know, Mama, there is a driver, but I know his name. But I know his name. Okay. So now the mother is telling, you know, only about our maid auntie and the driver uncle, but there are so many people helping us. You just go and find out those who are helping us. Likewise, she's telling. So this girl is finding out the persons those who are helping. Likewise, she came out with few of the persons. Let us see who are they. Okay. Yes. Now, this is Mr. Aditya Dev. This is Mr. Aditya Dev. Can you see the picture and tell me who is this? From the picture itself, you will come to know who is this. Yes, he's a postman. He's a postman. He works in a post office. You all know, isn't it or not? Where the doctor is. Doctor is working in the hospital, clinic, isn't it or not? Likewise, policeman. Policeman. Sai Aishwarya, can you put on mute? Thank you. Sai Aishwarya. 2C. Yes, thank you. So, a policeman works in a police station. Likewise, where the postman will work? Where? Post office. Ma'am, I'm hearing some disturbance. Can you find out who is it? Sai Aishwarya of 2C. Yes.
It's okay.
He works. Yes, ma'am. He works in a post office. What the postman will do? What the postman will do? He is the one to deliver the letters, isn't it or not? Yes. After writing letter, where you will post the letters? You will post in the post box. Can you see the red box over there? Yes. Likewise, previous we used to post the letters. Now only we are sending messages through computer and mobiles. Yes. Okay. So in the post box, we are going to post the letter. What the postman will do? The postman will come and collect all the letters. See, he is taking all the letters from the post box and he takes to the place. Where is the place? Where he takes it? Okay, he takes everything to the post office. Okay, there they will separate the letters according to the area wise. Okay, and they will deliver the letters. Not only letters, we are receiving parcel also, isn't it or not? Packages. What do you mean by packages? Packages. Packages. All of you repeat. Packages. Packages is nothing but we are doing parcel in a box, isn't it or not? Something like you are getting gift like a dress from your relatives, uncle, aunt, even so many things we are getting through parcel service, isn't it or not? That is called as what? Packages. So the letters and packages are together called as mail. What it is called as? MAIL, mail. Okay. The letters and packages are called mail. We drop our letters into post box. Where we are dropping the letters? In the post box. It reaches the post office. So the postman take all the letters and the letters to the post office. Yes. From here, it is sent to different places. Okay. So there they will separate according to the area wise and they will send the letters. The postman delivers the mail. Okay, this take about 3 to 5 days because it needs a process, isn't it or not? They have to come and collect the letter. They have to take to the post office where they have to separate the letters according to the area wise. From there, each and every postman will take to their area. Roshan of 2D, can you please put on mute, Karna? Roshan 2D. Yes. So from there it is delivered. So 3 to 5 days. It takes 3 to 5 days. Next slide, ma'am. Next slide. Yes. We can also send these through a courier. So what is the difference? A postman it will take 3 to 5 days. But the courier service, you know about courier service. Nowadays you are getting so many courier, isn't it or not? Yeah, you are ordering to Amazon, Flipkart, so many items. So they are bringing the courier, isn't it or not? Yes. Yes, I know. So many of you are ordering through what? Online, isn't it or not? Yes. So a courier service is a very fast service, isn't it or not? Even now, 1 or 2 days later, you will be getting that courier. One day later, you can get it. So we can send mail to different people around the world. If you're posting any letter or if you're sending any parcel like packages, is it restricted to a certain area? Only you can send to Katupakam, only to Ayapangadangal, like that? No, you can send all over the world, isn't it or not? Yes. We can send a letter through the computer. So as I told you, so now we are sending all the messages through the computer, isn't it or not? Yes. What is that is called as? Email, isn't it or not? Or the mail you're sending through the electronic device. Yeah, computer is an electronic device, isn't it or not? So electronic. So short form for electronic is E. So that is why we are telling it as email. So the message. Mama? Hello? Loshini of 2C, can you please put on mute? Ma'am Girja, ma'am, see to it continuously. I could hear the disturbance.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So we can send a letter through the computer. This is called as an email. All of you say email. Email is nothing but electronic mail. What is email? Electronic mail. Okay. What are all the things? Now we'll just have a recap of it. Whatever you have learned, you can answer through your chat. What are the things you have learned today? So many facts you have learned, the good exercises, what you have to do. And regarding the lessons, you have learned so many things. What are the new words you have learned today? Yes, postman, post office. Come on, answer through your chat. So many new words you have learned. What are the new words? This is the first time I'm hearing these words, ma'am. Like that, no? Now only I came to know this. This is what the meaning is. Likewise, you have few words, no? Come on, answer through your chat. I want everyone to answer through your chat. Come on, tell me. Packages, very good. Packages is a new word. Very good. Then, yes. Postman, very good. Then, you are knowing postman for the first time? Yes. Postman spelling, very good. Then, what are all the other words? Mail, mail is a delivery, very good. Delivery, delivery, delivery is a new word for you. You all know the spelling. Email, very good. What is the full form for email? Abbreviate and tell. Come on. What is email? Very good. Electronic mail. All of you repeat the word electronic mail. Can anyone unmute and say why we are saying it as electronic mail? Come on, anyone can unmute and tell. Don't get the answer from your parent. You should
Use
tell on your own.
internet. Because use internet making computer. Because it's internet in computer.
Super. That is why it is called as email. Very good. Who delivers letter? Who delivers letter for us? Who is delivering letter? Postman. Very good, very good. Postman is delivering letter. Very good. Where he takes the letters? From the post box? Where is taking the letter? Where is taking all the letters?
Postman.
Post office. Very good. Where is taking the letters? Post office. Okay. Yes. The letters and the packages are together called as the letter and the packages together called as a word I have told. Ma'am, yes. Mail, M-A-I-L, mail. Very good. You all have listened carefully. Very good, children. Yes, what you're going to do is this week, ma'am is going to assign you a work. What work? It's going to be a very simple work. Okay. Now, ma'am is going to tell that. Later, I will post it to the group. I'm going to see by listening how many of you are going to do it in your scrapbook. Let me see. Okay. Ma'am is going to, you all know mind map, isn't it or not? How to write a mind map. You have done in your classwork note, isn't it or not? Yes, likewise, you are going to write a mind map on any two persons who help us. Okay, ma'am is going to tell about only one particular person and you're going to write for the other two person. Okay, so let me take, today we have done postman, isn't it or not? So I'm going to take postman. What are all the words that related to postman? Post office, mail, courier, packages, then letter, stamp, isn't it or not? Post box. So these are the words related to a postman. Email. Email is related to postman. Sorry, of course, okay. So these are the words related to the postman. Likewise, take a doctor, take a teacher, take a cobbler, try out different persons. Okay, you can take any two different person and you are going to write a mind map on it and you have to post it in your class group. Okay, write in your scrapbook. You have a white scrapbook. This time you got a white scrapbook, right? Yes, two. You have to write about any two persons in the same page. You can write. Okay. Yes. Yes, very good. Very good. So many of you are answering. Yes. So you're going to write for any two persons. Write at least 6 words related to that person. Okay. It may be a doctor, cobbler, carpenter. Leave the postman because already I said about the postman. So you are going to find out new persons. Let me see you. So many of you are writing the same persons, the doctor and the teacher. I want you to come out with the different persons. Okay. So many persons are helping us, isn't it or not? Yes. We all write this today. Get only 5% help from your parents. Try this out by yourself. Okay. At least you will know few. Isn't it or not? Yes, yes, my children are always good. You will be doing everything. Okay? Yes, if you have any doubts, you can put your rise hand symbol so that ma'am will attend you. Yes, and I want to thank every parents as well as children for doing a wonderful job. Whatever we are assigning, immediately you are doing and posting in the group. Very good children. You're doing an awesome job. Keep on doing. Okay, get few help from your parents and try to do this on your own. I don't want any parents to write in your scrapbook. Okay, the child has to write. Make them to write. Please don't put your writings. I could see in some of the classes that the parents are helping. That is okay, but please don't write for your kids. Okay, I want everyone, you children, you have to write. This work is assigned to you. You are learning. Yes, not your parents. They can help you, but you're telling your parents to write. They should not do any work. They will help you only. They will help you. They will guide you. You, the people, you have to sit and do. You have to concentrate. You have to listen. You have to learn more information. Will you all do this? Yes, your parents are telling me, they are calling me and telling me, ma'am, I'm the one to write. He is not at all listening. He is not like that. I should not get. Okay, you should do, and I will see from the this thing group. I can find out your handwriting. Who has written that? Either you or your parent. Okay. Yes. Very good. Any children are telling? Yes, ma'am. Are you? I want from everyone. Will you all do this? Yes, I know my children are very good. Yes, very good. Superb, Kanna. Very nice, very nice. Let me see. Today itself you will finish this work, huh? You all have done the cootie catcher already. The work assigned to you for last week. So many of you have posted. It's very nice, very, very nice. And you all wrote a letter to your parent. A letter to your parent, you all wrote. Only 2 or 3 only I have received. Why not? Everyone should write. Whenever a work is assigned, you have to do. Okay? Yes, children. With that, we'll end this session. Okay? Yes. Thank you, children.